In this video, I will be demonstrating how to share table data to external users from your Airtable base. So say you have your data here in your Airtable base. This is going to be shared on a view-by-view basis. So if you want to share everything inside of your Airtable, you're going to want to make sure you have all your fields unhidden. You want to make sure nothing's filtered, or else when you share this, they won't be seeing the full picture. So the easy way to do this is to click the Share View button, and here you're going to have a link that allows a user to open this link and see this table data in its own dedicated shared view. So it's not going to be sharing your Airtable base directly. It will be sharing a subset of your base, a dedicated shared view that allows you to set parameters such as whether or not viewers can copy data out of your view, whether or not this data can be synced to other bases. So when you go to sync a table to another table in another base, you'll want to use this and then use this checkbox and then copy this this URL into the setup process for that sync base. You can also choose whether or not to show all the fields in your expanded record when you are showing the shared view through this link. You can restrict access with a password, and you can also restrict access to a specific email domain. Okay, so those are the two panes that allow you to set those two values. You also have the ability to embed your Airtable base onto a website, and I'll show you how to do that as well. So it's going to open up a link that looks like a page like this, and here you can choose to decide whether or not the end user has the ability to control the filtering, controlling the grouping, so on and so forth, this top pane. You also have the choice to whether or not to use the card layout on desktop or not. So once this reloads, you'll see that it gives you the same type of view as this mobile embed over here. So this is the desktop. This will be the mobile version of that view. And as you can see, once you have this is kind of what it'll look like once it's on the final page, but you also have the ability to download as a CSV or view a larger version. So let me open up this view so you can actually see what it looks like once it gets shared. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, same table data. However, you don't have any ability to edit anything in here. You only have the ability to view. When you're ready to disable that view, all you have to do is click the Disable Shared View link down here. One other thing to know, one special case would be the tasks or the calendar view. You can actually sync this view to an external calendar. So if you click this, it will give you a subscription link. So this is what you would use in your calendar application to essentially pull these records directly into your calendar. So really useful if you need to actually see these tasks or records on your personal calendar. You can do it simply by subscribing via this link. So that is how to share your table or view data externally. Stay tuned for the next video.